Good day to all of you. I'm Ichi Panilay Bangpi Magbiray from Section Mercator. And today I will explain to you what is muster station. A muster station on board a ship is a designated area where passengers and crew gather in the event of an emergency. It is a critical component of maritime safety protocols designed to facilitate organized responses to emergencies such as fires, flooding, or abandoned ship situation. Here are the key to Here are the elements that define a master station. 1. Location. Designated areas, master station are strategically located throughout the ship, typically near exit or lifeboats, embarkation points. Each passengers and crew is assigned a specific master station. It is communicated during safety briefings and found on safety information cards in cabins. Clear signage. The location of master station are marked with clear and visible signs, often accompanied by emergency escape route maps to help the individual navigate to their designated area quickly. Functionality. Assemble point. The primary function of a master station is to serve as an assembly point where individuals gather during an emergency. This allows for an organized and efficient response to the situation. Headcount and accountability. Crew members conduct headcounts at master station to ensure that all passengers and crew are accounted for. This is crucial for assessing the situation and determining if anyone is missing. Safety equipment, emergency gear. Master station are often equipped with essential safety gear such as life jacket, emergency lights, and communication device. This equipment is readily available to ensure that individuals can prepare for evacuation if necessary. Information display. Some master station may have information display or board that provide instruction for emergency procedures and safety tips. Training and drills, regular drills. Crew members conduct regular safety drills that include master station procedures. These drills familiarize passengers and crew with the location of their master station and the action they need to take in an emergency. Crew training. Crew members are trained in how to manage master station effectively, including how to direct passengers, conduct head counts, and communicate information during emergencies. Communication. Crew instructions. During an emergency, crew member provide clear instruction to passengers at master station, guiding them on what to do next. This may include direction for boarding lifeboats or evacuating the ship. Emergency signal must Emergency signal. Master station are activated by specific emergency signal, such as the general alarm, which alert everyone to proceed to their designated area. Psychological reassurance, sense of security. Knowing that there is a designated area to gather can provide passengers and crew with sense of security and assurance during emergencies. These psychological aspects is essential for maintaining calm and order.